Hello Codexolio, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be seeing how to reset password of Kali Linux if you have forgotten it. For example, let me open my Kali Linux machine and although I remember my password, but I'll enter randomly and it is saying that the whichever password I have entered, it is incorrect. So it is not being opened. So what we have to do is that we are going to follow 5 steps which are mentioned over here. First of all, we will open the boot screen, whether you are using it in VirtualBox, VMware. Thereafter, we will open grub option. Thereafter, we will modify boot parameters. Thereafter, we will add new password and thereafter we will log in. So without any further delay, let's dive into this video. Before that, I would like to request you to please like our video and to subscribe to our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, what you have to do is close your calendar machine. Since I'm using in VirtualBox, I'll open this is my VirtualBox and I'll start from here. As we remember, what was our first step? Our first step is to open the boot screen and thereafter we have to open grub option. Okay. Wait for some time. Now as soon as you see timing over here, just press E. Just press E. What it will do is that it will open grub editor. Now when grub editor is open, you can't just one minute. Let me I'll try to make a screen big. Okay. Will it be? Let me see. No, it is not being no problem. I'll try to zoom it. So whenever I have pressed E, I have pressed nothing other than that. Now when you press E, it will open grub editor. Now you can edit this. Your mouse will not work. You can just use your keyboard and that also arrow key up, down and left, right? Now in that case, what we will do, we have to just remove written text, which is I'll show you down 1 minute. Just come down. You can see that little things coming down. That is dash sign. When you reach Linux, just move forward. Keep moving. Just keep moving. And now you can see arrow quit splash. We have to remove this all. So let me move to the last. Here it is splash. Just remove it by pressing backspace. You can't use your mouse, so use your arrow key. Now at the place of arrow quit splash, we will give command write and read and write, that is rw command. Thereafter we will give path, that is init. Thereafter equal sign slash bin slash bash. Okay. Now to close it, we will press ctrl-x and thereafter let this command run. Now what we have done, we have opened the grub option. We have modified both parameters. What we did was modify both parameters. Now we will add new password. Now see, suppose you do not remember your your username. So what you need to do is click. Sorry, first of all, let me click over here. Okay, you have to click ls/home. It will display your password, your username, which is codex in my username is codex. Now what we have to do is press password PASSWD and my username, that is codex. It is saying to enter new password. Now I enter my new password. It will ask to retype new password. I enter it again. And now my password has been changed. Now what we have to do is we have to reboot it. So press reboot with option F, which allows to reboot it forcefully, and press enter. It will take some time and it is just restarting again. Okay guys, here we are. We will just click on it and we will enter our newly entered password and we will press enter and it is being opened. So you can see we haven't entered our old password. We have just done some modification in grub editor and the change is near you. I hope this video was helpful, guys. Do subscribe to our channel.